I just wanted to give a huge thanks to the DebX project for sponsoring this video. If you have any interest in investing into cryptocurrency with a huge return on that investment, check out this project and give them some love for sponsoring our content. Hey guys, it's Jeff and we've been running the 5th beta of iOS 12 for the few days it's been out now, and let's talk about if this beta version is safe to install onto your iDevices. Okay, so beta 5 did present a lot of very minor changes. I say minor because to me the battery health menu coming out of beta really isn't that big of a deal, unlike the battery menu itself, which displays a ton of really useful data. The battery menu, on the other hand, really doesn't display anything other than your percentage of battery health, and that's pretty much it. Of course, if you have an older device, you will have one more option there, but that's it, and it's really quite plain. I really wish there was a lot more here, and that's why I don't consider this change to be as big of a deal as most people think it is. Now, moving on to some other changes, and really there wasn't much to talk about. There were very minor UI changes, mostly correcting some bugs, but there were some further additions made to Memoji. So if you have an iPhone 10 and you really want to get started with the Memoji feature, there is a lot more options to choose from, and this feature is really progressing quite nicely. Now onto performance, and with the update to beta 5, we are getting some really smooth and snappy performance. Smooth being that everything feels really smooth when going throughout the UI. The snappiness comes in when you are switching apps and doing very quick UI changes that on other betas didn't seem as smooth or fast. So I'm really pleased with the performance here in beta 5, and honestly this is by far the best beta we've had so far in regards to that topic. I did say in my last beta update video that this beta does almost feel like an official release build, and I still stand by that simply because I haven't experienced any bugs so far in beta 5 and everything is running quite smoothly. So before we wrap this up, let's talk briefly about battery life because that is super important. Battery life hasn't always been great in the iOS 12 betas, but in beta 5 we are seeing some really good battery life. Not much of a jump from beta 4, but considering beta 4 was exceptional, I would say that now on beta 5 we are seeing really good performance with the battery. So for those of you running older devices, I can't really guarantee that your battery life will improve, but for users of the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus and also the iPhone 10, I can confirm that this will improve your battery life just by a bit over beta 4. So guys, that is beta 5. I really do think that now we are so far into the beta process and everything seems to be going quite well. All of you who want to try out the betas should do so. There's really no drawbacks to installing these betas onto your iDevices, so if you want to give them a try, check the link down below for information on how to get signed up, and also check out our beta forum where you can discuss the iOS 12 betas with other users who have it installed on their devices. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and make sure to get subscribed. We really do need and appreciate your support for the channel. Stay tuned for some upcoming content and I hope to see you in the next video.